Why do you think it is particularly important now that we understand the Maidan Massacre in order to get a grasp of the underlying issues that potentially caused the Russian invasion in Ukraine?
I think this is important to understand origins of the conflicts. Without understanding actually how this conflict started, how this war was basically kind of initiated, which is started like with Russian invasion of Ukraine on February 24th, 2022. This conflict is going back to 2014 with the Maidan, and this was the start of this conflict between Russia and Ukraine, which, as I mentioned, escalated subsequently. And this is, I think, very important to understand the origins of this war, because media and politicians, they often do not talk about this. They just ignore this massacre. They deny this massacre any involvement of any other actors in this massacre, with the exception of government forces, which is standard narrative promoted by all major mainstream media, with some notable exceptions. And also, massacre is very important to understand not only these conflicts, but also to help to resolve this war, to have a peaceful resolution of the war in Ukraine and conflict in Ukraine, because without understanding the start of this conflict, hidden origins of this conflict, it's not possible actually, or would be very difficult actually, to resolve this war and end this war and resolve conflict in Ukraine peacefully, and to have again understanding what actually happened during this war and this massacre which took place in 2014.